your head on my shoulder. Hold me in your arms, baby.
What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and don't worry about why I look so rough, honey, because this video is finna be a video on how to transform an old room and make it into your office space. And I'm sorry I look so drained. I woke up today at 8 o'clock this morning to record this video so that I could get done with it, because y'all, that room is no joke. Like, the extra room in the house is a room for my mother to put her clothes in. So I know she gonna be mad when she come home and see all her clothes put up, cause my mom is very she mean what she say and she say what she mean. But I didn't really ask. I'm just gonna do it because it's gonna be beneficial for me and her in the long run. Because come on now, I need an office space, man, for real. But I did not buy any new furniture or anything of that nature. I'm just finna use everything that I got around the house already to make my room cute. So if you wanna learn how to turn your extra room into an office space with little to less of no money, keep watching. I'm really scared, YouTube. This room is a hot mess, and my mama is big on staying clean. This is the only room that get away. Only. It ain't nothing but clothes in here, like clothes, the fuck, y'all makeup stuff right there. I don't even know why that cute ass thing not even up. Like, Lord be with me. Like, I took her wine. Yeah, I don't care.
The day we grasp been true. The nature of mind, befriending time in true. In a better way, I stand when many's dead, only to come home again.
I'm finally done. Oh, Lord Jesus, I didn't even think I had the strength to finish that in one day, but I did it, and I did it before my mama got off work, so she can't cuss me out about her wine, period. Yeah, baby. I just wanted to show y'all around. This is my little area. These are the tools that I've already done. I gotta do one order today. And this side is the ingredients. These are the ingredients. This is my little daily board. You know, my daily reminders. Hustle, no cap today. You know what I'm saying? And look what I found, y'all. My mom is the queen of buying things and not using them. Like, I promise, like, the queen of it. But anyways, y'all, oh my gosh, I want y'all to see it. It's so This is my mother's, but I'm going to take it from her because she don't use it clearly. Like, look at all this makeup she got in here. Never touched it. Never touched it. Like, never touched it. All these lipsticks. My mama love lipsticks, y'all. One day y'all gonna meet my mom. She's hilarious. But